In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to trade on XM. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your XM account, then choose the instrument you want to trade. So for me, I will choose BTC USD, as you can see, this one. And we have here buy and sell. As you can see, this is for buy and this is for sell. We have here the quantity and lots. For me, I prefer using lots. So I will choose, for example, 0.1. We have here the margin and we have here the percentage 0.43. And now just click on place order. Click on place order. And as you can see, this is our order. Now let's say, for example, you want to add stop loss and take profit. Hover over it with your mouse and you will see here TP and SL, take profit and stop loss. So click on TP, drag it to the bottom because this is a sell order. And we have here stop loss. I will drag it above like this, for example. Now we have here plus 35 and minus 20, as you can see. If you want to close your order, click on close like this, as you can see. Now let's say, for example, you want to add a limit order. So all you have to do is go to sell with when price is or buy when price is. It's the same thing. So turn it on like this. And now you have to choose the price where you want to add your limit order. So let's say, for example, I want my limit order to be here, 107,200. So I will type here 200. You can add a take profit and stop loss. So go to TP and SL. And you will see here take profit. Take profit, for example, will be 7,500 because this is a buy limit. And the stop loss will be, let's say, 107,000. Also, we have here the amount. You can choose the amount if you want. Okay, we have here $3, $2, $15, $20. That depends on your account size. So for me, I will keep it on price and click on place order. Click on place. And as you can see, this is our buy limit or your sell limit. It's the same thing. You can change the take profit if you want. And you can change also the stop loss. Also, you can change the buy limit if you want. Click on confirm. And as you can see, our limit order has been changed. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.